day we're up here at the Taquini Hot Springs, slept in, and then next day we got down and we took the 2 all the way down to Skagway right here. And this is where we spent a couple nights, and we're catching the ferry, and we're going to be going down to Juneau on the ferry tomorrow.
The Wheaton and Watson district miners came to Robinson Siding to pick up freight and mail and ship out their ore. It was a natural gathering place, and at the peak of the 1906 gold rush, William Granger and Herman Vance claimed 160 acres on each side of the railway as a town site. Well-known hotel and restaurant builder and owner Lewis Markle constructed the Gold Hill Roadhouse and saloon on Granger's land.
Their old railroad. It's overgrown.
Wow, it's a narrow gauge.
Yeah, isn't that neat? Yeah, this is just off the rest stop, and it's kind of like a historical site. It's kind of neat. Here's the old house. Interesting. I was just going to take a couple pictures and it ended up being this, so sorry it's on my hand phone, but I would have had my other camera if I knew I was getting into this adventure. I didn't expect this. But I didn't want to not take a picture of it. It's kind of different. And it's just here at the rest stop. And then you just follow this trail. Of course, you can ask Mark. I just start wandering off all the time. Drives him crazy.
Miners back in the turn of the last century.
See what I find when I wander off?
Yeah.
Man, the mosquitoes were bad. I came running back.
Yeah.
Because they eat me up. Mark doesn't get eaten up.
Yeah, they're getting me now.
I tell you, don't forget your bug spray. There it is. The Robinson House is historic site. We only stopped there because we had to check something. It was kind of a chance stop, so it was kind of cool. I don't know if you can see the colors, but it's called Emerald Lake. It was phenomenal looking. The colors are just amazing. Very beautiful. And it's hazy because there's been fires up north, so there's a lot of haze in the air. Ah, so pretty. Amazing. That's why they're getting those snacks, because they're part of a cruise.
Yeah. I wonder what the hell this bag is. Somebody's got this planned out.
So we stopped there to take pictures, and there was a cruise. Yeah, there was a bunch of H3s, and their part. We started talking to them, and one guy was from New Zealand, and they're on a cruise out of Skagway driving up here. So that's what that whole group was. And they were feeding them treats and all that, so it was kind of funny. So we talked to the guy from New Zealand a little bit. So that was kind of interesting. And then we're on our way again. No, because we're going to Skagway.
I'm about to go off. That'll be cool.
And don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up and a comment below. Thank you.